Hello guys, let's continue with the English activity number 2. Don't forget to write the date in your notebook in the other activities in all the pages, remember. Now let's continue with this. Exercise number 1. Match words and expressions with the definitions. Number 1. Instructions that tell a computer what to do. Okay, what can be the keyword here? Let's underline the keyword. I'm going to use this pen and I'm going to use the color yellow because I like the color yellow. You can use another color. Instructions. The keyword. Instructions that tell a computer what to do. Okay, you are gonna write. It can be algorithm, but more properly is program. Because a program is a group of algorithms. So here you're going to write program. Sorry for my handwriting. Program. Okay, ready. Now number 2, operated by machines and computer. The key word here is operator. You can use another. If you prefer, you can use a highlighter here. Operated by machines. What is the word? Okay, choose one from the list that you have. What can be the correct option? Operated by machines and computer. If that is operated, it's because we change, and because we change, that means that is automated. Okay, so here let's write interlined. Automated. Oh, check. Is the handwriting correct? Automated. Yes, that's correct. If you have problems, you can write in this way. Let's check. If you have problems to do that, let's continue with the number 3. A tiny machine designed to perform a specific task. Okay, here the keyword is a tiny machine designed. Okay, a tiny machine. Tiny machine is the keyword. So you can write, you can underline or and put with your favorite color. I'm going to use now yellow. A tiny machine designed to perform a specific task. Okay, what is the answer? Yes, you know what is. It's very easy. Is nanorobot. Nanorobot. Okay, and then you can underline, or you can put another color for the lyrics. Now number 4, a first model from which later versions are developed. Okay, what are the keywords here? First model, correct. The first model. A first model from which later versions are developed. Did you know what is the answer? Did you get it or not? Okay, the answer here is I put a draw about an airplane in the other presentation. Yes, it's prototype. Okay, so you can write here the answer. You write and you practice. It's good it's good for you that you be practicing how to use the computer, because you are going to use that for other grades in the junior high or in the university. You are going to do all your homeworks with that kind of technology. That is new for me, it's new for all the teachers, and I know that it's new for all the parents as well. So we are practicing. We can commit mistakes here, but the most important is that you learn. Continue the other way that I showed you, because I want to write. So, the simulation of human control by machines. Okay, the keyword is, you know what is? Do you know? The simulation. Yes, the simulation. Okay, so this automator we use as well. Nanorobot we use. Prototype. Okay, and what is the next word? I'm going to change with the pen, but I want the color yellow. The simulation of human control by machines. What is? Artificial intelligence. Okay, that is one word. Artificial intelligence. Okay, to remember that you can write AL, but you can write the whole word if you prefer. Now for the next activity, you're going to match the words with the definitions. Okay, here I'm going to use another color. I want the color green as my shoes. Match the words with the definitions. Algorithm. Okay. A set of rules for a computer to follow in a calculation. That's the correct word. You have assembly line. Did you remember the picture with the cars? So what is? A careful study of something, operated or controlled by the computer, to insert something into living tissue, machines or people making mass-produced goods, or an early or a first version of an invention. Do you know what is? Okay, yes, that's correct. You can use another color if you want. The correct answer is machines or people making mass-produced goods. Now, you continue with the others, because I don't want that you get all the answers easily. Okay, just I'm going to help you with the first one, with the number 1 and the number 2. Okay, now in the exercise number 3 is exactly the same. We're going to underline, match the term with the similar meaning. Okay, I'm going to help you with the most difficult meaning for me, that I think that is difficult for you. I don't know, I'm guessing. So for me, because maybe it can be confused, maybe it can be program. Okay, remember that a group of algorithm or a group of instruction build a program. So here you are going to underline and you're going to match program with algorithm. So you are going to match with this one, and I'm going to help you with one more, and I'm going to use the purple now because it's another good color for me. Now, what other can be difficult for you? I think that it can be difficult. All the rest are easy. I can be that maybe computer control. It can be confused, I think, but maybe no. The answer is computerize. Okay, so you underline. Okay guys, so you are going to continue working in this way, and then when you finish, you send me the evidence. And remember that for the homework, you're going to complete the chart with the sentences. You can research the sentences on internet. Puedes buscar tus oraciones en internet. But I prefer that you write your own sentences. Pero yo preferiría que hicieras tus propias oraciones. Okay, so till here, this video we finish. I hope that you enjoyed this class. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to comment me something. What do you prefer? Do you prefer that I put some songs in my presentation, or that is good without song, without music? What do you prefer? Tell me, and you can comment me in the first comments bar. You can post me in that activity for this assignment. What would you like for this class? Okay, guys. So. See you in the next video. Well, don't see you, but you're going to listen me. You're going to listen that video and enjoy your weekend. Have a nice and beautiful day. Bye bye.